Hello, I'm Robert Kramp. This time we're going to talk about how clouds form. Now, if we're talking about clouds and how they form, shouldn't we be doing this in the daytime? Why am I standing outside at night in the cold weather? It's 8 degrees Fahrenheit out here and getting colder. Well, it's because this is the perfect place for us to make a cloud, to see it form. Now, for a cloud to form, we need air that contains a lot of water vapor, and then we need to cool that air. Well, my breath contains a lot of moisture, a lot of water vapor. You've probably seen that if you've ever breathed on a window or a mirror and seen it fog up. So I've got air that has a lot of water vapor. I've got cold temperatures to cool that air. And if I take this light and breathe into the beam of the light, then we can see the formation of a cloud. If you look very closely at that cloud, you can see something else. You'll see that that cloud is made of many, many tiny little particles. Now, each of those particles is a tiny little droplet of water that has condensed from that water vapor. And all of those droplets together form the cloud. If you go outside and look at some clouds, you'll probably see the same sort of billowing shape that we saw in the clouds from my breath. But you won't see the motion. That's because the clouds in the sky are very large and very far away. You're just not close enough to see that motion, unless, of course, we speed up the video. Now you can see that billowing motion as well. Warm, moist air is moving upwards, cooling, and the water vapor is condensing into the tiny droplets that form the cloud. But what makes that air move upwards? Is there a giant happy scientist hiding behind that hill? No, the real answer is much more interesting than that. But that'll have to wait until the next video. For now, have a wonderful week.